folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm out for the Sunday weekend race, round 3, GFX Raceway SummerSlam 2019. Next race is the short course trucks. This is my SCT 410.3 with a hobby wing system in it. And we'll be racing that next. 10 trucks. This should be pretty mayhem. Let's go get it. Here we go. Short course time. A main. Everyone's in the A. 10 trucks.
All right. If you were in 209 A main, you were awesome, but you were also a Marshall.
Qualified third. Nice controller. I know, mine looks better. We have the same one. 10 short course trucks. A lot of Teknos, a couple of Armas, Lozy.
Ready, for God's sake. Please be ready.
It just goes that
Less than 5.
Where is taking it? Some far in.
I got it, Justin. Wait, so wait. Marshall!
Whoa, through that corner. Dang it.
Marshall!
I didn't touch it. Oh, whoa. Like strong.
4 minutes left.
So right now we got Jordan up front, corner ahead, Sean and John. In the next group, we got Rod, America's all by himself. We got super quiet second. We got Rod, inside JC. JC the rough first lap. Justin following that up.
Oh no!
Hang up, come on, Marshall. Come on, Nick. All right. I'd like to tell you that first place is already caught and passed a few back. But we'll do our best, but don't hold up on a hope.
Every time I get a chance, then I drive into them.
Damn, I can't see coming past that at all.
Try to give you more room.
No, it's just all good. I'm short.
Use a stool.
We're all taking.
Ooh, that straightaway's busy. Hold down tail. Nice. That's it.
Crack and roll.
Try not to hit him, folks. All right, you hit the other. Come on.
Tried to get by clean eye, but I still nudged you. Oh no!
Jones just said he was trying not to get destroyed by the good fighters, but he's well out front. We've got John and Sean in second, third, Eric in fourth, Rod, Christian, Casey.
Come on, Marshall!
Guys!
Marshall! Oh wow! Oh, come on, yeah. 1 minute, Marshall.
You gotta get it, as fast as fast, you gotta get it over the last You got, yep, 1 minute left. 1 minute left.
Whoa! Oh, man!
There's a lot going on.
It's all good.
Gordon, John Kennedy, John, Eric. So Eric, yeah, John,
Sorry.
Car 9 is done. Car 1 is done. Car 4 is done.
Eric, you're done. Gordon, you're done.
Car 6 is done. Car 7 is done. Car 2 is done.
John is done.
Car 10 is done. Car 3 is done.
All right, good race.
Car 5 is done.
Almost lapped me? Yeah, because I didn't see you at all through the whole race.
I was right on your tail when you crossed the line.
Oh,
there.
were you really? Yeah, so you almost made up a whole lap on me. But yeah, that was good. So started third, finished second. Clean for a 10 truck race. Short course, race 2, round 3, SummerSlam 2019.
I'll already draw it for you and you can tape.
I'm placing second behind Jordan. Trucks. 10 trucks again.
All right, gentlemen. This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me. So, just do your best and have fun.
We will have fun.
Robin's racing, and this is the class for it. Marshall's ready. Driver's ready. Less than 5. Oh, JC, look for the whole shot. Didn't work, but it would look good. Oh, boy.
Car 4 is done.
What? Just keep going, just keep going.
Oh, I hit the high spot.
Come on, come on.
Ooh, all over the place.
Yeah, you gotta move. I can see that.
Just a minute.
All right, let's try to make sense of the turn and Jordan slow down.
You guys 50 foot around.
Go ahead. Some fun. Yeah, Don manages to
Okay, you're not going. All right.
So we know who 1, 2, 3 are. Fourth is Eric. And JC. And then we got, in the back, we got 50, and we got Rod fighting it out. And we got
I race motocross, come on.
Christian, I'm not stopping. You mounted me on that one.
He was actually stuck there. Yes, he was.
John and Connor battling it out. Where's Jordan go?
Watch out, Colton. First and second coming.
Oh no!
Oh, come on. I'll wait up a little bit.
It's all right. Go, just go. That's what happens with 10 trucks. It's all right.
I know, it's true. M'en viens, Christian, je suis en premier. Merci.
Thank you.
You can hit Jordan though and John. No, I got wavy.
Oh, Jack, look before you cross the street, buddy. Look. Walk in, go. Don't get hurt, man. Hold on.
Well, Raj, first and second coming.
We got Sean and Jordan with a battle here. Literally banging them in the bumper. Oh, come on. John Kennedy's back there. Oh, he's just coming around third now. Okay, Jack, go. Wait a second. Go, John.
Thank you. I can't turn tight there, but yeah, thank you.
I'm assuming you're ahead of me on the lap.
I think so.
Oh, Jordan. All right. Oh, no. I was not lined up for that.
So the on order, Sean, Jordan, now Sean, John, Eric, JC, Raj, Christian, and Colton. I don't know where you are, Justin.
It doesn't matter, man.
All right, Killer.
No!
Sean's beating up the dark truck.
Oh, it's so sorry.
Oh, Jack. This last thing you mark the right spot. You're just not, you're going to get hit.
Sounds like a boy.
Before you're going to get hit. So you take a spot next time you have to see it coming.
I see you coming there, John.
I love the way you want to mark it on where you're going to get hit. That was too close.
Alright, can I get by? Thank you.
R6 is done.
Ooh, last lap.
AC, you're done.
Oh, brake check's a bit there.
R9 is done.
Justin's done.
R10 is
Keep
done.
going, Justin.
That's all right.
They're all done, yeah.
R7 is done. R1 is done. R3 is done.
Could have made it worse.
R5 is done.
I tagged that tire.
You did wait, right? You waited a few times? Yeah.
Well, I waited once and then I got boxed in
Yeah,
the tire.
So third. Same as starting position. Oh no, I lost a position. Ah! If you enjoyed that video, hit that like button if you're new around here. Subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.